Welcome back, Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you manifest some extra money to snatch up some BTC. We see the prices jumping close to 45,000, and we're also going to talk about the prices on Feg Token at the end of the video. As you guys can see, the charts are looking fantastic. But without no further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the details. What's happening with Feg Token? And we can start off by making sure we're giving Feg Token a follow at Feg Token and make sure the bell notification's lit. Remember, we do have the code cracker running right now where there's 2 million Feg giveaway. Watch the other videos where I go a little bit deeper into the code cracker. Right now I want to talk about some other details that we have, but you guys know that we have been trending, and that takes a whole village. That's not happening just by accident. That's every single one of you guys, the same people I'm going to ask to go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, have the bell notification lit, and use the Money Bags Mansion Telegram link down below. We're going to be doing a lot of smart DeFi token AMAs up in there, and a lot of other things are going on. You guys see that growing organically. I'm not going to fluff the numbers up. We're going to do some organic growth inside that TG. But I do want to cover this right here, a couple other tweets from community members, team members, and then we're going to get to these price predictions, technical analysis, because we did break out. So I know you guys are going to wait to the end because that chart is looking fantastic. But we got why Feg could offer a compelling return on an investment. Okay, so we'll get the cliche out the way, not financial advice, right? We'll get that out the way, but we're going to talk about some things, how this could be a potential good investment for those looking at Feg Token, but not just a token, the utilities that it brings to the table. I have done videos on this. We're going to talk a little bit about smart DeFi, but we do have its asset backing through Ethereum and Binance Chain BNB tokens enhance its intrinsic value as store of wealth. Okay, so we know that we have that baseline value, which we're going to check out on the chart. We're going to see that that's ever growing all the time. Additionally, Feg token's deflationary nature, coupled with staking rewards, makes it an attractive investment. Those who have not watched the video on how to buy Feg, or if you have, make sure you watch the video on how to stake Feg, because as these prices start to increase, you start to get a little giggity, you know, when you start to seeing, and you know that you're staking and you're receiving more Feg token on your bag that you have already. As the team continues to develop and the charts continue to move up, and Bitcoin got that ETF lingering around, this is going to be a bull market like no other before. And I think Feg token is ready to go right back to that $1 billion market cap. And we're going to talk about the utilities that is going to help us get there. So we got, with a current affordable price and low market cap, it presents a favorable entry point for potential investors. We're going to talk about entry points. We are very, very early on the video that I talked about as far as the staking goes. All smart DeFi tokens, when they launch, that is going to be a game changer. As we can see the team stating right here, Feg's smart DeFi token launchpad promised to be a real game changer, enabling individuals to launch their own cryptocurrency without the need for coding expertise. So like I said, join the Money Bags Mansion. Hopefully you guys can read in between the lines. There's going to be a lot going on. I'm waiting for that smart DeFi launchpad to come out, and I'm waiting for those smart DeFi tokens to also do some AMAs with me in that TG. It's all going to happen right there. But one of the things that we talk about in that staking video on how to stake your Feg token after you purchase some, if you have purchased some, or maybe somebody, you know, hooked you up with some, but nonetheless, when you stake them, when these smart DeFi tokens start to go live, if they enabling staking on this already audited contract by PeckShield, that is going to go ahead and fill your bag up as well. We're talking about thousands of projects that are going to be most likely enabling the staking feature on those contracts. Who wouldn't want that? So this innovation not only democratizes, let's see, hold on, I don't want to mess it up, and this is what I do normally, so we're going to keep it raw and uncut with everybody. Democratize. Okay, that's what happens. Okay, so democratize the creation of tokens, but also expands the Feg token ecosystem. Okay, so let's go ahead and close this out. Let's continue. We got the unique utilities offered by the Launchpad enhances Feg value proposition, making it a compelling investment in the dynamic world of decentralized finance. With this new Launchpad built on new technology and powering Feg token, I also want to add right there, audited contract by PeckShield. A lot of tokens, I'm going to keep bringing this up. When they launch a token, most likely they're going to have to go to some third party to eventually get that token contract audited. At least you would hope. But this is something that these tokens launching on the Smart DeFi Launchpad do not have to worry about. It's already done. That is the same contract that we're using right now with Feg token. So its holders can look forward to a huge boost as this utility really capitalizes on narratives driving the current market. That is epic right there. I mean, The team is dropping some true gems right there. It's happening again. Only this time it's bigger, better, and packed with full utility. I couldn't agree more. That's what I was so pumped about in the last video that I did when I said, could Feg Token get to $1 billion market cap again? I mean, we did it once before. The bull market was not like this one that we're going to have. And now we have more utility than ever before. So leave a comment down below if you guys think that Feg Token in its current state or its future state has what it takes to get to that $1 billion market cap. You guys can vote yes for me. We got RTR Crypto. Big shout out to RTR Crypto, always holding it down for the Feg team, the community. I mean, this is a guy that we're lucky to have on the team for sure. So customizable tokenomics, adjustable tokenomics, change as your project grows. What I like to say about this, and that's because I've been studying the Feg documents. That's why I'm your guys' guy. Put the bell notification, the bell notification on. Is that although these tokenomics can be changed on the fly, it gives the investors a 3-day warning before, this just happens while you're sleeping or something like that. And the reason I bring that up is because this whole thing is built, the underlying value of Feg Token and the smart DeFi launchpad and everything that's coming out is to keep new investors, these retail investors that are about to enter this market like crazy, keep them safe. No bitter taste about crypto in their mouth. And then next, we're going to go ahead with choose your RFI. RFI mean a reflective token or a non-reflective token. So you're going to have the option whether you want somebody to receive reflections or non-reflections. You also got asset back your token with ETH, BNB, USDC, and USDT, etc. So we're going to explore this when the launchpad is live. We're going to do this live on this channel. So I can't say it enough. Like, subscribe, tap in on the Money Bags Mansion. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're right on the heels of this bull run. We are in the bull market. We are just not riding that bull just yet, but it's going to happen. We're going to feel like we're on our tippy toes when it gets all euphoric. You guys might have to bring me down a couple of times to keep me in check. That's how we're going to look out for each other on this channel. But take a loan against your asset backing token value. Look at how much utility is coming out right away with these tokens right when they launch on the smart DeFi, that this alone is so lucrative that people will definitely tap in. We got launcher token paired against Feg Token plus natives generating volume through arbitrage, innovative presale, and function. So that is something that we're going to keep an eye on for sure. We also have explored the future of the token launch with smart DeFi. We will be exploring that right when it launches. Like I'm saying, this is super bullish news. Come over here, tap in. You guys know that we're going to make history right here. You guys see we're active. This is why it takes a village, what I'm talking about. It takes all of us to do this. We have been trending. The charts are shooting up, which we're going to get to in just a bit. But we got this by Steve Chow. We got, if you're looking for a famous pet to put your money on amongst the many DeFi memes, forget the dogs, the chickens, the cats, or the frogs. Look for a stronger animal that's not just a meme and has strength and real Web3 utilities. And that is a key word right there. Web3 utilities are coming hot from the Feg team, the smart DeFi, and the alien himself, that is Rocks. Okay. Big shout out to the community right here. This is community driven right here. This is where it takes a village to really make this happen in smart DeFi. So I'm going to ask you guys, let's keep this push going as the charts are looking, I want to say a word, but they're looking great. They're looking great. They're looking really, really great. I'm not sure if I could say that word, but we'll slip it through on one of these for sure. But it is looking really, really good. So we're just making sure, big shout out to Fegit, and go ahead and like and comment on these things. Hashtag smart DeFi, hashtag Feg Token, and hashtag code Feg. Remember, if you guys are trying to get those, the giveaway that is currently going on with the code cracker. Now onto the charts. I'm not going to wheel and deal you no longer. We're going to get straight to the charts that are looking fantastic, right? We're going to keep it PG, but these charts are looking fantastic. We broke past this old area that we were in, this old resistance, and we recovered, I mean, just beautifully. We're just climbing up. We're sitting at a $14 million market cap, almost 15. Obviously, we're documenting this journey right here on this channel where you guys are keeping track. I believe Feg Token can definitely erase the zero. We're going to, climb up the charts. We're going to be at that $1 billion market cap for sure. Let's check what things are going out on the ETH side. So ETH is climbing. It's got a slower recovery, obviously, because ETH fees or whatnot, but it's going to trail right behind the BNB side. Right now on the ETH side, we're still looking at the 2248. I'm sure it's going to climb up with it right behind it and then going to break past that 25. But on the BNB side, I mean, it got active really quick and we're breaking past these current areas. We are on the 30-minute chart. We can zoom out. Let's go to the hour chart, zoom out a little bit, and we're going to be looking at these next zones right up here, and then we'll attack this area up here. that 3.5 area. That's going to be our next zone. That's going to be so much fun, and we're going to climb up there. That's something that we're going to do. Not only are all those smart DeFi projects benefiting from, you know, the staking, and we're benefiting from them, but also all the marketing that they get done. So any marketing that they get done is basically like us getting it done as well, because people are going to learn more about smart DeFi. People are going to ask questions. And see, back in the day, we had something up here. So this is where we're at right now, right? We had that up, testing that, coming back down. So we want to break past that and see where we get rejected, but making the support above, anywhere actually above the 3, you know, that psychological barrier. You know, we're right there, 2987. If we can make any support above that and keep climbing, the market stay on our side. We see the wallet addresses of Bitcoin growing back to back. We have that Fed giveaway right there for sure. We see number of Bitcoin addresses with non-zero balances just surpassed 50 million. This is happening right now. We are here right now in this bull market, marinating together with smart DeFi and Feg Token. I want you guys to smash up that like button, subscribe, let's share this stuff. As far as the prices go, we're going to see for some support on this 3 zone, and we're going to keep climbing up. Right now we're cruising at that about to even some more. We're about to get to that $15 million market cap, and we'll see if we push above that 3, chasing up to that 5 zone, and then we're going to be talking about erasing a 0. That's what we're going to be talking about very soon. Who knows? Maybe sooner than later, maybe later than sooner. We don't know. But make sure you guys like and subscribe, have the bell notification lit like that. When I know, you guys know. Until next time, you guys know what it is.